Alamo Teacher Institutes are a free travel opportunity for Texas teachers and give us the chance to enhance the curriculum they're already using in the classroom.
I teach fourth grade, and one of my subjects that I teach is Texas history. So when I saw the Alamo had this opportunity, I had to jump on it.
To be able to go inside the different kinds of buildings that are representative of that time period really puts you in that moment and in that place.
And bringing it back to the classroom, I think it'll make more sense to the students.